Hello students. Today let's learn about circle and its construction. Can you find the number of circles hidden in this picture? So you see a circle can be of many sizes. Let us look at some common words that we use when we talk about circles. Looks objects. They are all circular in shape. The sun, the moon, the earth, any planet, a ball, an orange, a ring or band, a smiley face or a button. Now see the definition of circle. A circle is a plane figure in which all the points are at the same distance from the center. Now let's learn about some important terms. First is center of the circle. See this blue dot. This is called the center of the circle. Center of the circle is the fixed point from which the circle is drawn. Radius. Radius is the segment that extends from the center of the circle to any point on the circle. Radius is the segment that extends from the center of the circle to any point on the circle. This is called the radius. Diameter. Diameter is the segment that joins any 2 points on the circle and it always passes through the center of the circle. Diameter is the segment that joins any 2 points. This is point number 1, this is point number 2. These 2 points are joined by the segment and it always passes through the center of the circle. Chord. Chord is the segment that joins any 2 points on the circle. This is point number 1. Point number 2. These 2 points are joined with segment. This is called chord. And the diameter is also the chord and the diameter is the longest chord.